Cincinnati Spotter 210 today, coming at you with a review video for the 2019 Matchbox release of the Boeing 747. This is a Boeing 747-400, even though from the looks of it, it is a Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental. It's labeled as a 400. I will get into that in a second. But yeah, as I said, this is a 2019 release. Just picked this up at Target. There's the back if you want to read that. It's an official Boeing licensed product. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you could get this at Target, Walmart, anywhere that sells Matchbox Skybusters, of course, in your area. Normally, I do Gemini jets and other models. Now, Skybusters, of course, it's like any other little Hot Wheel or Matchbox. You just press it open, and here we have the plane. Yep, 747-400. Yeah, as I will go into in a second, it's definitely more of a 747-8. But, oh, yeah, this is a really nice model, for the price point. Matchbox Skybusters, depending on the retailer, I bought this for a $2.99, price point, US dollars. It's very nice in quality because, of course, this would be normally for kids to play with. So it's very durable, and this is in the Boeing house colors. Yeah, what else can I say? Has the good old 747 tail on the back. Yeah. Okay, so aircraft specifics. It's labeled as a 747-400. Even though, due to the fact that there's no winglets in the extended top deck, it is obviously a 747-8 Intercontinental. Even with the mislabeled packaging, it's a very nice plane. I would definitely recommend it, even for people who don't collect Matchbox Skybusters. Like if you're a higher quality model collector, like for Gemini jets or Phoenix, any of those other brands, it's still a very nice model. Yeah. Landing gear, let's go over that. It's the standard Matchbox Skybusters landing gear for their newer planes they've released. It's not very realistic. Real life 747 has a couple sets of gear back here, and yeah, this seems to be more of like a Cessna front landing gear. It's way oversized. Very, very good model. If I can, I would definitely recommend it for anybody who has an interest in airplanes and wants to pick up something cheap that would look good on a shelf or for a kid to play with. Yeah, that's all I really got to say about this review. Overall, yep, definitely buy it if you find it, and I would thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video.